What's up everybody, welcome back to another episode of BH Brewing. This is a quick update on the homebrew situation. If you watched the last video, you will seem to remember that the beer I made, well, it didn't turn out good. It was, off flavours, didn't taste right. It almost tasted a little burnt. So I knew something wasn't right. I haven't made any homebrews since that time, since the end of the last video, and I just decided everything needed a proper deep clean. Carboys, kettle, all the plastic buckets, every single bit of equipment needed a deep clean. Now I did it in two stages. So I first of all used some of this stuff, which is purple beer line cleaner. I don't know if you can see that there. It is corrosive. This shit is fucking strong. I felt like fucking someone out of Breaking Bad when I was cleaning my shit with this. Not even kidding you. You have to have a fucking face mask on. Face mask at all times, because inhaling that shit will make you ill. It is properly strong stuff. So first of all, clean out my carboys with soap and water, as I usually do every time I finish a brew. I then use this, the beer line cleaner, the lethal Breaking Bad stuff, which by the way is, yeah, like I say, it's lethal shit. After I finish using the purple beer line cleaner and everything, I use this VWP cleaner and sterilizer. I've never used this stuff before, but I have heard good stuff about it and similar products on a couple of homebrew forums, so I thought, you know what, give it a try. I've got nothing to lose here at the moment. I can't make any beer because it will taste like shit, so I'm not going to lose anything. So I bought a tub of that stuff, put it through obviously my carboys, my plastic buckets, literally through every piece of equipment, and most importantly the brew kettle. Now I obviously clean and scrub the brew kettle every time. I don't use any metal scouring pads because I don't want to damage the pan, but I do give it a good scrub with some hot soap, hot water, and then obviously at the end of it I'll put some Star San through it to make sure it's sanitized. But I tell you what, there's a remarkable difference when I put it into the brew kettle before and after. I don't have any pictures from before and to after, unfortunately, but I can show you what it looks like now. And look at that. That's like new. It is absolutely sparkling inside there. Unbelievable. There's a bit of water residue obviously where I've just let it to dry, but I tell you what, the difference between what it was when I thought it was clean and now is remarkable. So yeah, that's where we're at. I'm about to attempt a new brew in a couple of days, so obviously that will go up onto YouTube and I'll post that there, but fingers crossed we've got to the bottom of why our beer tasted like burnt rubber and utter shit. So at this point, hopefully we'll be able to go forward, make beer again, and it should taste good. I'm going to have to find out in a couple of weeks, but join me in a few days where we'll be putting together a lovely winter porter, or a stout. Winter stout porters, I don't think there's much difference.